Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. In the toolbox today, we have this United Tools Impact extension bar set. So it's got a variety of different extensions. Those ones want to run off. Put them back in the rightful place. Get the camera set up in a bit better angle. So we have a variety of different ones. Some 1/2 inch, some 3/8 and some 1/4 inch. Start with the big boy of the set. This is a fairly long impact extension, should I say. It's fairly long, it's got a nice ball detent in there. We're just doing the grip really well. The case is a bit oily. This tray. I kept the tray mainly so I can show you all the different sizes, and then when I go in the toolbox I'll go in with the rest of my sockets. So I wanted to show you these before I got rid of this plastic tray. We have a 1/2 inch 50mm, won't go for all the sizes. We have a 1/2 inch 50mm, it's pretty good. These are under socket ratchets very nicely. You may recognise this from a video I did not too long ago, which is the Team tool haul. They fit on fairly nice. You can see there's a little ball detent in there. Fairly good. Put that one away. Let's grab a 1/4 inch socket. Anyone got to hand? And we'll pick one of these 1/4 inch drives at random. So let's grab this big one and pop it on. And they do fit the sockets on there fairly nicely and fairly snug. You have to pull quite hard to get them off, which is always quite good. Yeah. Still have 3/8% left out. I'll grab one of them too and just do a quick demonstration. Yeah, they fit on very nicely. I do like how this 3/8 is a slightly shorter length. It's only 45mm. Very handy for getting to those spots where you just need a tiny bit more extension, but not a lot. And they're fairly good. I've had them on the Draper Impact, the main Impact. They seem to work very well, at least this 1/2 inch do. I got this set mainly because I thought I needed some more 1/2 inch extensions because I may have damaged my one by being silly with it and misusing it. Yeah, so I thought get some extra length, give me a bit more variety, more length, and they all seem to work very well. So moving on to my final thoughts now, I guess. I'm going to give these a 4 spanner rating. They are very effective at what they do. They're pretty basic, but they do the job very well. Let me turn the light down a bit. Yeah, overall I've really enjoyed using them. They seem to stir it very well. They've got this nice coating on them. They are made out of chrome vanadium. And yeah, there's plenty of sizing and variety into them. And they do a really good job. If you're looking for a set of extensions, impact or not for extensions, grab this set. It's a very good set. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.